Marketing can be vital to the success of your small business, but if you're carrying out direct marketing, such as calling someone, sending texts, emails or personalised letters, the data protection rules apply. Marketing your business in a way that's lawful, fair and transparent will show that you respect people's information and can be trusted with it. Here are the 3 key things you must do. 1. Work out your lawful basis. If you're using someone's information, you'll need to have a valid reason. Data protection law calls these lawful bases. There are 6 to choose from. When you want to send direct marketing, you'll probably use either consent or legitimate interests. You can find some more guidance on these lawful bases on the SME Web Hub. 2. Tell people what you're doing. People have rights when it comes to how their information is used. If someone gives you their personal details and you plan to use these to send marketing, you must let them know. 3. Respect people's choices. Many people are happy for you to use their information for direct marketing, but others may not be. Be fair by respecting their choices. Make it easy for people to tell you that they don't want to receive marketing from you, such as by adding an unsubscribe button to every email you send. You should keep a do not contact list of people who've objected and check it before you start any marketing campaigns. Marketing your business can cost time and money. Make the most of this by only contacting people who are willing to hear from you.